to love and to comfort, to honor and keep, in sickness and in health, in sorrow and in joy, to have and to hold, from this day forward, as long as we both shall live. I do.
How did you two meet?
Oh, ikaw na dito.
Yearly po, parang may mga bago po kasi yung mga fourth year med. So yun po yung parang first immerse po nila sa hospital as a doctor na po. So yun po yung, dun ko po siya na-meet nung pong first year sila. So ninanavigate pa po nila yung hospital, yung ER especially kasi dun po
You were in the ER?
Yeah,
a
emergency
nurse in the
department. Apo.
ER?
Then, dun po kami nag-meet habang
Sa ER?
sa duty.
Habang sa duty.
Okay. And then, did you propose? How did you propose?
Okay, let me handle this.
Okay.
So, what happened, I've decided to propose during my stay in Vietnam.
Okay.
While I was preparing my presentation to the Asian community who will attend the Vietnam summit. So she decided, by the way, to go to Vietnam also, just to see me, of course.
Wow.
Since I cannot wait anymore, when she came into the room to the hotel where I was staying, because I went ahead. So all planning there, syempre first time ko doon, wala akong kilala. Madaming suggestions, yung friends, close friends. However, hindi pa ako marunong mag-navigate in a foreign land.
Okay.
To put it simply. So I proposed in the hotel. Okay, when she came in, doon na, nag-propose na agad ako. Hindi ko na kasi ma-contain and excited na akong, let's get this over with. So I did it. I proposed. It's not very romantic. Yes, I know. Hindi yan, parang wala na masyado akong pinaghandaan. Siguro, one thing na parang nagulat yung mother ni Erica or ni Eka, yung mag-meet yung family.
Yung pupunta po yung family ng groom sa
Pamamanhikan.
Pamamanhikan,
Yes,
sorry. Yan po.
Pamamanhikan.
So parang wala kaming formal na ganun na nangyari.
Opo.
So parang yung after nung na-mention yun ng mother ni Erica,
Parang doon lang
Doon
kami
na
naging
namin-
aware.
dati may ganung uso. Or may ganun yung trend dati. So what we did was kumain na lang kami sa labas a few nights after. Yung mga different styles, mostly sa ibang bansa na hindi pa naki-carry over, yung iba dito sa Philippines, or wala pa yung technology na ganun. But mostly, yung usual trend, yung mga photo ng mga groomsmen, yun, gagawin namin yun. Oh, what's different in our wedding, dun sa video namin, before the wedding, we did a dance.
Oh,
Yeah, because she's a dancer. I used to dance in college and in med school. So, yun, nag-dance kami.
Instead
And
na yung
photo lang, yung ganun lang. So, we danced. May video kami na if you wanted to share. And then, siguro sa reception itself, marami kaming dance. Well, yun yung iba sa amin kasi, we like to dance.